Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the new iPhone 11.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through.
This is the box that it comes in. Going to open it very dangerously. Just kidding, be safe with knives. So pretty. Wow. So beautiful. Okay, so it comes with this information packet, 2 Apple stickers. Thought they stopped doing that. Guess not. And some nice precision. And you put it back in. Okay, it comes with a new charging brick. It's all nice and packaged. Instead of a USB port, it now comes with a USB-C, and that's why it's a new charging brick as well. And then you just have the regular headphones, but I have a new thing of AirPods coming in the mail in about a week. Okay, so I will be doing another unboxing of those AirPods, and it will also be like a week update since having the iPhone 11. I don't imagine that there will be any major problems because I've had the iPhone 10 for almost 2 years. So it's not anything that I have to get adjusted to with not having a home button. But I can give you guys a little more insight on how I am liking the phone. Got the gold iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it has a very nice matte finish on it. I liked the gold because it looked more rose gold. But yeah. Alright, thank you for watching my video. This is my case on my new phone, and it also has a screen protector on it so I don't scratch it up. And if you want to see more of me, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get updated when I post a new video. And make sure you like this video if you are excited to see my AirPod unboxing. And make sure you follow my Instagram and my TikTok, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.